Hi there. Just wanted to dispel a few myths regarding the actual driving test itself here in the UK. Okay, I had somebody ask me today regarding a quota system. So can an examiner or a certain test centre only pass a certain amount of students in a day or during the week? Now, I hear this all the time, and essentially it's rubbish. Okay, don't believe anything like this. An examiner cannot make up a serious or a dangerous driving fault, which everyone knows as major faults, just to fail you on the driving test. Okay. All right, heard all sorts of things. Or they can only pass you on a Monday, for example. All right, or they can't pass you on a Friday because they've already passed too many during the week, or they can't pass you in the afternoon because they've already passed a number of people in the morning. Honestly, I've heard so many. Now, I don't know who makes these rumours up. Potentially people who fail the driving test and they're looking for an excuse, trying to save a bit of face, which I understand. But like I said, an examiner cannot make up a fault. Okay, so if you drive essentially safe and legal, which is all really the examiner wants to see, they don't need a 10 out of 10 perfect drive, because after all, you are allowed 15 minor or non-serious driving faults in your driving test, and you'll still pass. 16 is the cut-off point, okay, but 15 allowable driving faults show they're not looking for perfection in any way, shape or form. Okay, so the quota system, absolute rubbish. Okay, if you drive well enough in your driving test, you will pass. Simple as that. Okay, it doesn't matter how many people have passed before you, how many people have done the test that week and have passed or have failed. It makes no difference whatsoever to your actual driving test. Okay, so good luck, and hope that helps. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.